Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got Snuggly Bear with us because a lot of you were missing him. Skuggas, so many people were missing you. In today's video, we're back with another skincare challenge or a skincare review, and we are going to be talking about an Indian skincare brand. The brand I'm going to be talking about is the Dr.Sheth's brand. A lot of you have requested me to do a review video of this. I've tried this brand out for about 2 months. I've got about 5-6 products of theirs. They are an Indian skincare brand that is specifically designed for Indian skin. Now, I wondered, what is this Indian skin different from the rest of the world? And in one of their posts, they mentioned that the climate in India and the pollution and the other factors that are specific to India are huge factors in determining what kind of skin type you have and what kind of skin concerns you have. In India, we have a lot of pollution, so skin dullness is a thing. And being so close to the equator, we have year-round sun. And since we are brown people, we have a lot of melanin in our skin. So we are prone to getting hyperpigmentation and dark spots. They do mention that this is a luxury skincare brand, so the prices are a little high on this. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Dr.Sheth's for Indian skin Gulab and Glycolic Toner, and this is what I personally was most excited to use because this is a straight up dupe of the Pixie Glow Tonic or the ordinary glycolic acid. This product also has rose water, so it's also nourishing, calming to the skin. It's got all the benefits of rose water. It also has some other really potent ingredients like niacinamide, green tea extract, and aloe vera extract. Niacinamide is an ingredient which is good to repair damaged skin. So if you are acne prone or if you have hyperpigmentation, these are all results of damaged skin. So this glycolic acid toner, guys, it's got all of this. The very first time I used it, my skin broke out. I don't know why, because my skin was already used to glycolic acid. Probably this contains more than 5% glycolic acid. By the way, you're supposed to use it only at night. And I would suggest starting out like just once a week if you're just starting out with acid toners, and then graduate to twice a week. The direction on this says spritz this directly on your face and then follow up with your moisturizer. I tried that and I did not quite like that because the spray on this is kind of like a very directed hard mist, so it kind of like hits your face. It's not like a gentle flow of cloud that surrounds your face. I prefer to spray this onto a cotton pad, 3-4 sprays, and then I wipe down my face with it soon after cleansing, and then I move on to my serums, moisturizing toners, moisturizer, whatever other skincare step I need to follow up with that night. I really like this. I am so proud of them for bringing an acid-based toner to India. This retails for rupees 499 and it contains 50 ml of product, which is, in my opinion, very little. Next up, we've got the Dr.Sheth's Multitasking Miracle Cream. Now, this is a really good night cream. I tried it as a day cream and I did not like it. It was just way too thick and heavy for me. But as a night cream, I loved it. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this could even pass off as a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Night Cream. It kinda has similar ingredients, like it's got rosehip seed oil, vitamin E, almond oil, olive oil, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, licorice root extract. It's got a lot of really good stuff, which is good to nourish your skin and brighten your skin. Another claim on this is that it's got anti-acne property, but my face did break out a couple of times while I was on this. I don't really have very acne prone skin, so I wouldn't really say that this is anti-acne. The only downside I would say is that it's got perfume in it. It smells like baby powder, so if you like baby powder smeared all over your face, you might like this, but I just had to close my nose while I applied it, but of course the scent vanishes away. This contains 30 grams of product and it costs 1,350 rupees. When you apply it at night, guys, it feels so good. Like you wake up with the softest, plumpest, an even glow all over your face. On the website, they do a really good job at detailing out all the ingredients that this product contains. I noticed that this miracle cream has white petroleum jelly in it, and that I was like, Vaseline?
Am I smearing Vaseline on my face now?
The next product I have here is the Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Peel. Now, this is another product that I am in love with and I completely recommend. This is unique in the Indian market and I want you all to try this product. This contains 5% glycolic acid for immediate exfoliation. It contains 5% lactic acid for slow and continued exfoliation. And then it's got some amazing, nourishing, moisturizing, and brightening ingredients like the pomegranate extract and grapefruit extract. Please note that this is not suitable for extra sensitive skin. If you have hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or tanning, you have any of those issues that you want to target, you can use this as a spot treatment. You can take this product and apply it just on the hyperpigmentation every alternate night or once in 3 days. Of course, avoid your delicate eye area. I want you to remember that any acids, guys, do not use it in the morning, use it at night, and the next day you have to make sure that you amp up on your sunscreen or stay away from the sun or use an umbrella. Use some kind of a sun protection. Okay? So I've been using just once a week and maybe sometimes just once in 2 weeks because we've got this toner, the glycolic acid toner anyway, so I don't want to overdo it. But this definitely works. When you apply this at night and wake up in the morning, your skin just looks even, like you've got foundation over your skin, kind of. It's got a glow. It's also got repairing, nourishing, and calming ingredients. This costs a whopping 849 rupees for 50 ml, but it's not something that you use every day, and it's something that you use very little of. Next, we've got the Dr.Sheth's Indoor Protection Mist, another product that I've not seen in the Indian skincare market, another product that I completely recommend to you. This has got butterfly bush flower extract, and this protects you from your screen light, all the blue lights, your bulbs, they all radiate UV light, which causes photo aging. So this is a really good protection mist that you can apply throughout the day. This is also hydrating. It's got some really beneficial ingredients like hyaluronic acid, green tea extract, and niacinamide. If you have dry skin, you can spray this on your face every 2 to 3 hours, like to refresh your face, like the Evian water sprays or whatever those sprays that you use. You can use this as the mist. But the thing with these kind of mists is that you don't know how well they are working. You only know that you've done your job for 20 years later, and 20 years later you'll be like, oh, that thing worked. The indoor protection mist costs 549 rupees as well. The next product that I want to talk about is the Dr.Sheth's Date and Quinoa Eye Cream. Now, I think this is their flagship product, although the glycolic acid and the gentle peel is my favorite from the lot. This Date and Quinoa cream, for me, guys, felt really nourishing under the eye. I love the texture of it. It was moisturizing, hydrating, and it absorbed quick enough. But if you have watched a couple of my previous videos, or if you follow me on Instagram stories, you know that I've had a really bad eye allergy for the past couple of days. Now, I don't know if it is because of the cream. I have no idea, guys. I've been using this cream for about 2 months. I've never had an eye allergy before in my life. And in the last 2 months, I've had an allergy on this eye once a month ago and on this eye currently. It's just settling down. So this is the first time I'm applying a little bit of makeup on my eyelid in a long time. I really don't know if it is maybe the protection mist because you spritz it all over the face. I don't know if it is the eye cream because I definitely applied all around my eye. So I'm just gonna leave this piece of information out there. If you have tried it, guys, let me know how it worked for you. I feel like my under eye dark circles have reduced after using this. My under eye looks and feels a lot more supple and nicer. Are the ingredients too strong that it irritated my upper eyelid? I don't know. I've noticed that if the eye cream got in my eye did water and sting a little bit. And this tiny pot of 10 grams of eye cream will cost you 899 rupees. It's quite pricey, but I know this has worked wonders in reducing the under eye dark circles for many people. Just today I saw Shalini Srivastava speak about how she loves this and she's on a second bottle and everything. Finally, we've got the Dr.Sheth's Basic Brightening Daily Cleanser. This also contains 50 ml of product. It's quite small for a face wash in my opinion. You guys, this was a good face wash. Was it remarkable? No, it wasn't. Was it bad? No, it wasn't. It thoroughly cleansed my skin, removed my makeup, but did not leave my skin feeling tight. So it was a good face wash. And this cost 375 rupees. This face wash contains perfume as well. Now, when I was going through their website, which I thoroughly love because of all the information there, I noticed something, and this kind of slightly irks me. Every single product is labeled brightening. So when they mention that this is Indian skincare formulated specifically for Indian skin, every single product of theirs is a brightening product. I just don't like the sound of that, because brightening is not the only factor that we Indian people look for. We also want nourishing, we also want anti-aging. For me personally, anti-aging is like my biggest thing, and these products do all of that, but they are all named brightening, which says a lot about our market, demand, supply. We've spoken about this. Yeah. If you ask me what is a must buy from all of these products, I would say get yourself the Glycolic Acid Toner and the extra gentle daily peel, because I have not seen this in the Indian market before, and you are getting your money's worth with these two products. The eye cream, I know a lot of people have fallen head over heels in love with it. I just don't know if my allergy was from this eye cream or not, so I personally am just gonna stay away from it just to be extra careful, that's all. Even the indoor mist is something really unique in the Indian skincare market, so I would say try it, see if you like it. If this is the very first time you're watching me, hi, I'm Jovita. Take a second to click that red subscribe button, make it gray, and then also click that bell icon. If you like this video, do not forget to click that like button as well, and I will definitely make more such videos for you. Let me know which other skincare brands and products and gadgets and whatnot you want me to try, guys. I hope you've seen my older videos, which are linked right down below, and I shall see you in my next one. I love you. Mwah.